Social media platforms collect huge amounts of personal data, but what really happens when you decide to leave? A real deletion option isn't just a convenience. It's your legal right. Laws like GDPR mandates right to be forgotten, which require companies to delete user data upon request. But many platforms make the process intentionally confusing or frustrating to discourage users from following through. For users, an easy and transparent deletion process ensures control over personal data. You should be able to remove your presence completely, not just deactivate your account while the platform continues storing your information. For social media companies, user data is extremely valuable. Making account deletion easy means losing ad revenue, engagement, and the network effect, so they often add roadblocks to keep you from leaving. Today, we'll test and rank major social media platforms based on these parameters. So, are social media companies letting you go, or are they holding on to your data for life? Let's find out. These are the steps for deleting a Facebook account. Now let's give it the scores out of 3 stars. These are the steps for deleting an Instagram account. Now let's give it the scores out of 3 stars. These are the steps for deleting an X account. Now let's give it the scores out of 3 stars. These are the steps for deleting a TikTok account. Now let's give it the scores out of 3 stars. These are the steps for deleting a Reddit account. Now Now let's give it the scores out of 3 stars. So, after testing these platforms, it's clear not all social media companies make it easy to leave. Some respect your right to delete, while others make you jump through hoops, delay the process, or even hold on to your data after you're gone. At the end of the day, your privacy is in your hands. If you're thinking about deleting an account, be prepared for what's actually involved and don't just take their word for it.